Today we're making sticky rice. Come on in, welcome to my home. Today we are making sticky rice. This is my version of sticky rice. It probably isn't the absolute perfect version of sticky rice or the authentic version of sticky rice, but it is the version that works for me. And what we are doing is we are starting off with 1 cup of sushi rice. Now I found that I could find this in my big box stores. You can also check the links down below. It'll have a link to my Amazon affiliate site where you can also get sushi rice. So what I'm going to do first is rinse it. I want to rinse this until it comes out, the water comes off of it is clean. I am using the stovetop method of it. If you have a rice cooker, just use the rice cooker method. But so I'm going to take my rinsed, and this was rinsed until the water came out clean, my rice, and put it into my pan along with the recommended amount of water. For this rice, it's 1 1/4 cup. Let me make sure I get all those rice granules in there. I'm going to take this over to the stove and bring it up to a boil. Once it's boiling, I will reduce the heat to simmer, and then I will simmer it for 25 minutes. But I'll explain that as we go along. All right, my rice is all cooked. Now I'm going to add these wonderful ingredients. I have rice wine vinegar, sugar, and salt. And of course my bamboo skewer is gone. So I'm just going to mix this up until it's all dissolved. You'll notice that I did use white sugar and iodized salt simply because they actually will dissolve and the others will take heat to dissolve them. Once everything is dissolved, I'm going to pour this over my rice mixture and then mix it in. It smells so good. Now, I will be honest with you. I am a big fan of sushi rice. So, that being said, I'm going to taste some. That is just right. If you find that yours is too vinegary or not vinegary enough or not sweet enough, just adjust the ratios. This I found is just perfect for what I want to do. Oh, I can't tell you what's coming up next. But we are going to use the sushi rice. Yeah, we're going to use it really, really soon. So I'm going to let this cool, and it'll be ready for our next part. Now, if you make this, let me know. You can get a hold of me on most social media at CM Coleman Home. And remember, this is a version of sushi rice that works best for me. You might have another version of it. You might have a better way to do this. Let me know down in the comments. I hope I get to see you again next time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. I love making these videos for you, and I hope I get to see you again next time.